frame. Yeah, this is a good idea. Let's not forget the squeaky windshield wipers. Yeah, definitely don't want to drive this thing in the rain. That would be stupid. I'm sure it hooks fine. Yeah, good. So it's been raining here pretty much all week, and I've not started Steppenwolf, well, since last week. I've been kind of sick, so starting to feel better, and I was like, dang, this truck's been sitting here all week without running, so I thought I would just kind of take it down the road a little bit. I was hoping it would not be raining, but by the time I got home from work, guess what it was doing? Raining. It's actually not that bad to drive in the rain, guys. I mean, I've got these Nitto 325, 50, 15 drag radials. I mean, I'm sure if I punched it, it wouldn't be pretty, but it's not too bad. As long as you don't act like an ass clown. But not really going anywhere. Just wanted to get the fluids circulating. It was kind of cold last week, and as you can see, we're not even up to operating temp yet. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not, but engine temp's just 147 degrees. That was like I literally started the camera right after I cold started it. So those windshield wipers are probably getting on y'all's nerves. I just wanted to I wanted to do a little video too. I just wanted to thank John. For you guys who maybe watched the blooper video the other day, John was nice enough to come over and step in. I was really sick, and you know, I wanted to get some content on the channel. I had not done a video that weekend. I was too sick to work on anything, and John came over and kind of hosted the video. It was just, you know, a bunch of stuff that woo, yeah, Spin City. So he hosted the video just to help me out, you know, and I think he did an amazing job. But it was just a bunch of clips of stuff. I was planning on building up and you know, doing a longer video of spoofs and stuff like that later on. I didn't get to do that, obviously, so I just thought I'd put something together for you guys, so I wouldn't go a whole week without a video. You know, it's a holiday season, guys, and although I really want to do some stuff this weekend, I believe the whole weekend's pretty much planned out. I mean, we're going out tomorrow night, and then the next day is Christmas Eve, and we have a party, little Christmas Eve get together we're doing, and then after that, oh my Lord, the windshield wipers. And then after that, we're going to my mom's for Christmas, so I really doubt I'll be able to put out a video for you guys this weekend. So I also wanted to tell you, John kind of, you know, made a comment about we had some big stuff coming next year. Well, we're going to try to get some stuff together. We've talked about maybe going to some car shows and you know, doing some stuff like that. Maybe a little drag racing action. Trying to get some people together who, you know, might want to race the truck. So we'll just have to see what happens. Anyway, one thing we definitely need to do is get the exhaust fixed. flex pipe in it when we did the exhaust, and so it's rattling against the frame. You guys might be able to hear that in the video. So I bought a piece of flex, and also where it was coming apart at the slip joint, I bought, you know, I got my 3-inch V-band in. So we're gonna V-band it, flex pipe it,